Okay, thank you. Ayan, so going back, the company who originate o nag-develop talaga ng ating produkto po sa Taiwan ay Oxy Imperial. And ito pong nasa mga ilalim niya, which is the Agricultural Technology Research Institute, Taipei Medical University. Yan po yung mga groups of company na kilala na po sa Taiwan na nagde-develop ng technology and medical equipments when it comes to medical facilities. So, ganun sila kakilala po sa Taiwan. At the same time, ayan, this is our legalities and recognition internationals we have. So we have the halal certificate, kaya pwede po yung ating produkto sa ating mga kababayang Muslim. At the same time, we have patent from 3 different countries, which is the Taiwan, mainland China, and Japan. Ganon kaganda po yung quality ng ating produkto. And at the same time, here in the Philippines, we are also registered by the local departments like BIR, DTI, SEC, FDA. So we have the registrations. At the same time, ayan, konting background lamang po sa science. Okay lang? Sa mga nanonood po ngayon, ayan, konting recall lang tayo sa science. Okay? So our human body is made up of cells from our different kinds of systems, yung mga digestive system, respiratory system, and the systems are composed of different kinds of organs. At yung organs po, binubuo sila ng tissues. And yung tissues, binubuo po yan ng cells. So basically speaking, our body is made up of billions of cells. Iba't ibang cells po yan from head to toe. Mapabuhok man yan, mapakuko man yan, mapabalat man yan. They are made up of cells. And these cells, meron din silang iba't ibang parte. And one of the most vital part of a cell is what we call mitochondria. Ayan. So itong mitochondria po na yan, this is the powerhouse of the cell. So ito yung nagbibigay ng energy. Kino-convert niya si oxygen into energy ng cells natin. So ito yung nagpo-provide o nagde-determine ng lifespan ng isang cell. At the same time, syempre, kapag itong mga factors po na ito ay kumbaga na-encounter natin from day to day, nabubulol. From day to day, naaapektuhan talaga yung kalusugan natin. Number 1 dyan is improper diet. Diba? Lalo na ngayon. Ang daming cravings natin ngayon, lalo na maulan. Tama? So, it really affects our body. At the same time, yung klima natin, yung weather natin ngayon. And as well, pollution, stress, di ba? Lagi na yung kasama ng buhay natin. Sabi nga nila, if you're not stressed, you are blessed. And isa pa dyan, yung aging process. Kumbaga, kasi lahat naman ng tao tumatanda eh. Sabi nga nila, habang nung bata pa po tayo, kaya ang bilis nating makapag-recover sa isang sakit kasi while we are young, we develop enough new cells ng katawan natin. Kaya lang, habang tumatanda, nare-reverse siya. Mas marami na yung dying cells ng katawan natin kasi sa na-generate na bagong cells. That's why yung mga elderlies natin, they are categorized as immunocompromised. Tama po? Kasi madali silang mahawahan ng sakit and nahihirapan silang makarecover agad. And isa sa pinaka-nakakatakot na factor, yung virus at bacteria na nasa paligid natin ngayon. And one of the best example of that is COVID. Tama po? Yung COVID before, yung pandemic natin, di ba? Yung akala natin, simpleng trangkaso lang kasi yun lang naman yung mga sign and symptoms, di ba? Trangkaso. Pero, kumbaga, lumilevel up din ang mga virus at bacteria. And sabi nga nila, this COVID is a man-made virus. Di ba? Yun yung matindi doon. Kaya nakakatakot kasi this virus and bacteria, nag-level up din sila, nag-upgrade din sila. And these factors is what we call free radicals. So these are the toxins na nagkukos ng iba't ibang klase ng sakit ng tao. And syempre, kapag tumataas yung free radicals na yan sa katawan natin, tinatawag po yan na chronic oxidative stress. Wherein, dyan na po nagmamanifest yung iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Depende sa pinakamaraming damaged cells ng organs. So again, example natin si COVID. Si COVID ay virus, tama po? So this virus is a free radical. So pumasok siya sa katawan natin at unang-una niyang pinapatay ay lung cells. That's why one of the signs and symptoms ng ating pong COVID is respiratory problems, specifically pneumonia. Ganun po ang logic nung ang tawag dito ng apekto ng free radicals sa katawan natin. And here in GLI, we are very proud to say that here in the Philippines, we are the only company na merong free radical test. Ayan ha, take note po, this is not free. Okay? Ang tinetest po natin dito ay free radicals, yung toxins natin sa katawan. So, itong free radicals po niyan, this is like a urinalysis. So, you need to pee, and then this is one set. We have the initial and the second test natin. So, initially, i-check out yung urine mo, and then we will dip a strip on your specimen, and then i-analyze po siya sa machine. And then just 15 seconds, makikita natin kung gaano karami yung free radicals natin sa katawan. And after that, we need to drink 1 bottle of Oxygolden 900 plus, and within 2 hours, we need to fast. Ayan, so ayan po sa ating mga participants. Once again, kindly mute po yung mga microphone po ninyo. Ayan, para hindi po tayo nakaka-distract sa iba po nating mga participants. And ayan, going back, after the initial test, you need to drink 1 bottle of Oxygolden 900 plus, and then you need to fast. Ibig sabihin, bawal pong kumain ng kahit ano or uminom ng kahit ano. And then after 2 hours, i-recheck po natin yan. So this is one set. Meron tayong before and after test. So sa second test po natin, makikita po ninyo, 95% ng mga nagpapatest po ng free radicals natin, meron talagang abrupt. Ibig sabihin, ang bilis at ang laki po ng na-flush na toxin sa katawan. But sometimes, 5% of the people who underwent ng test natin ay medyo tumataas. So actually, it's a good thing kapag tumataas yung free radicals natin. Ibig sabihin, yung oxygen ions na nainom natin talagang nagta-take effect sa katawan natin. Siyempre, once the oxygen ions pumasok rin sa katawan natin, nagdi-detox kasi yan ng cells natin. That's why there's tendency talaga na sometimes tumataas siya. But actually, ibig sabihin nun, nagre-react talaga siya sa katawan natin. In that way, malalabas na natin siya, masisecrete na natin siya. Ganun po siya. And ang kagandahan kasi dito sa free radical test natin, meron siyang early detection. Early detection kasi napaka-importante na nagiging aware tayo kung gaano na nga ba karami yung free radicals natin sa katawan. Tama? If I'm going to compare it with cancer, usually the cancer, nalalaman natin yan kapag stage 3, stage 4 na. Bakit? Kasi ang tao, specifically Pilipino, di ba takot yan minsan sa doktor. Ayaw na nalalaman na merong sakit tayo. Kaya ngayon, kapag may nararamdamang sakit, anong ginagawa? Nagtitiis. Tama po. Pangalawa, kapag hindi na makayanan yung sakit, anong ginagawa? Nagtitipid. Diba? Pag sinabing nagtitipid, nagdodoktor-doktora na lang sarili nila. O kaya, nakikinig sila sa mga kapitbahay nila. Kasi usually, kapag may nararamdaman si Mare na ganito, naranasan ni Kumare 2, gagayahin niya kung ano iniinom ni Kumare 1. Tama? Titingnan nila kung talaga bang effective yung ininom. So that way, hindi na-address properly yung nararamdaman. Sometimes, kapag hindi na talaga makayanan yung sakit, saka lang pupunta sa ospital para magpa-doktor. And kadalasan, nadedetect na natin ng late. That's why sometimes, yung detection ng cancer, lagi na yan stage 3 or stage 4. Nagiging progressive na siya. So, dito napaka-importante na nadedetect natin ng early yung free radicals. Bakit? Kasi nga, sila yung nagkukos ng iba't ibang klase ng sakit ng tao. At the same time, that way, na-assess na natin yung kalusugan natin and nakikita natin kung effective pa ba yung mga iniinom natin, yung treatments or whatever medications that you're taking, your food supplements or vitamins and minerals na iniinom po ninyo. Ako po, I've been in the industry for 8 years and I've been into 2 companies na rin before, which is we believe here in the Philippines, pag sinabi natin networking, usually the produkto na meron yung mga yan ay food supplement, di ba po? And food supplement, karaniwan at karamihan ay mataas sa antioxidant, which is yan ang panlaban natin sa free radicals. But how do we know na yung mga iniinom po natin ay nagiging effective talaga sa katawan natin? Kapag po ba maganda yung pakiramdam natin, kapag po ba hindi tayo nagkakasakit, kapag ba we feel energized, I believe no. That's factors yung mga sinabi ko po. Kaya lang, isa sa napaka-importante niyan, the numbers. Kailangan we are very specific when it comes to free radicals. Bakit? Kasi nga, again, ito yung nagkakos ng sakit ng tao. Kaya alam niyo po ako, I am taking food supplements. 3 capsules a day. I am also taking vitamins and minerals. At the same time, hindi ako sakitin. That's why I am expecting when I underwent my free radical test, mababa lang yung free radicals ko. But did you know, on my first test, the normal value po kasi ang tama lang talaga na dami ng free radicals sa katawan ng tao ay 0 to 150. So ako, nung nagpa-test po ako, I am expecting that my free radicals is normal o kaya mababa lang talaga yung result. But did you know that my first result is 3,641. Ganun siya kataas. Kaya kahit ako nagulat, sabi ko, hala, bakit ganun? Sabi ko, ang dami ko naman pong iniinom ng mga food supplement, vitamin, hindi naman pa ako sakitin. And alam niyo po ang explanation doon? Kasi po, ang katawan natin, tama naman na ang food supplement, wala talaga silang overdose. They are natural, they are organic. The thing is, yung cells natin, yung cellula natin sa katawan, meron lang silang capability or capacity na kaya po nilang i-absorb. Kapag hindi na-absorb ng cells natin, yung mga ini-intake natin, nagiging floaters lang sila sa katawan natin. Nagiging latak lang sila. That in the long run, nagiging free radicals lang din sila na pwedeng maging cause ng sakit. Ganun po siya. So, ang kagandahan, nakikita natin yung efficacy ng mga produkto na iniinom natin. Kung wala tayong sakit at ang dami nating iniinom, kapag mataas yan, it is possible na pwedeng doon din galing yung mga free radicals na na-detect sa atin. And, of course, after being aware kung gaano na nga ba karami yung free radicals natin sa katawan, syempre, dapat partneran natin yan ng isang technology na makakatulong din para ma-flush yan, which is oxygen fusion technology, which wherein si Mr. Cheng Shen-chun, siya po ang research and developer ng ating produkto. Siya talaga yung founder. Siya ang nanguna with the research and development ng ating produkto. At the same time, ayan, the water source that we have is from Mountain Puli. And Mountain Puli, this is 3,000 meter high and 300 meters deep sea level. And did you know that Taiwan is top 1 with cleanest and purest water sa buong mundo? And they also found out that specifically in Mountain Puli, this has the highest energy sa buong mundo. Kaya po ito, si Mountain Puli, talaga namang sweet and pure yung lasa ng product natin. So wala pa yung chlorine, wala na po yung bacteria. No need na nalagyan pa siya ng chlorine kasi from the water source itself, wala na siya agad bacteria. At the same time, yung ating Puli Kansas Spring Water Plant, ayan, dyan na rin po natin pinuproduce yung Oxygolden products. And that, you know, again, that Taiwan is top 3 when it comes to technology. That's why it's not just a water. We are also selling the technology na ginamit po sa ating produkto. So introducing our flagship products, ayan, our Oxygolden 900 Plus, which contains 900 parts per million of oxygen ions, and talaga namang powerful natin na Oxygolden Tonic, which contains 35,000 parts per million of oxygen ions. So originally, talaga namang scientifically, ang water natin ay meron naman po talagang oxygen, tama? That's why H2O. Dito sa atin, mas pinadami natin si oxygen ions. Bakit? Kasi si oxygen ions, kaya niya pong mag-detox ng cell. Actually, ito yung napaka-importante kasi the usual detoxification na alam natin is through cleansing. Tama? Yung iinom tayo ng kung ano-ano, tapos kapag when we defecate or yung nagbabawas tayo, di ba? But the thing is, hindi naman nalilinis yung cells natin doon. Ang nalilinis talaga doon yung colon natin, yung organ. The only ion na kaya mag-detox ng cell po natin is oxygen. Ganun siya ka-powerful. It can really penetrate the cell para malinis niya yan. At the same time, it can also develop healthier cells and control dehydration and damage repair. Ganun siya kaganda. And of course, the oxygen ions na laman nito, di ba, naturally, alam natin si oxygen ay gas. But because of the technology na ginamit niya, dinisolve niya yan. Paano po? By using the aerospace high-tech dissolved oxygen technology. And this technology, this is from NASA itself. Ganun siya kaganda. Kasi usually when we say NASA, di ba, yan yung mga outer space astronauts, right? So the technology that we use, it is very similar to that. Where in this aerospace, kaya niya pong i-encapsulate si oxygen ion sa loob ng water molecules. Kaya if you have a product at your home right now, try to shake it, hindi po yan nagbabubbles. Kasi ibig sabihin, yung oxygen ions yan, intact talaga sa loob ng water molecules. At kung yung product po ninyo hindi pa nabubuksan, it can last up to 18 months yung oxygen ions na hindi siya sumisigaw. At kung nabuksan na siya, it can last up to 8 months. Ganun po ka-resistant si oxygen na hindi siya sisingaw dun sa ating water bottle. At the same time, the science of oxygolden, lahat daw po kasi ng health problems natin are linked to damaged cells. So mapa-drinking water man yan, mapa-tonic man yan, yung oxygen ions po na laman yan, again, it can really penetrate the cell hanggang mitochondria. So kapag ito, si oxygen ions, naka-penetrate siya hanggang mitochondria, nare-repair niya yan, nare-re-energize niya yan. And of course, kapag meron na tayong healthy mitochondria, meron din tayong healthy stem cells. Kaya ganun ka-powerful si Prada kasi it is beyond stem cell. Hindi lang siya katulad ng mga nabibili sa market ngayon na plant-based or animal-based. Kasi the real stem cell dapat kinukuha yan sa bone marrow or umbilical cord. But that cost million per session. Yung sa atin, di ba, we have the portable, kumbaga, na oxygen therapy na nasa bahay lang. So we have much deeper o much powerful than stem cell product kasi yung pinaka-core ng cell yung tina-target niya. So when we have stem cell, healthier stem cell, mas abundant yung production ng anti-inflammatory sa katawan natin. Kaya kahit namamanas, namamaga, anumang parte ng katawan mo yan, anumang organs yan na namamaga, nakakatulong talaga yung ating produkto. At the same time, we have the repair cells. Mas napaparami niyo yung repair cells ng katawan natin innately. So we don't need to drink any kinds of antibiotics or anti-inflammatory kasi originally or innately, yung sarili nating anti-inflammatory or very own immune system, yun yung nire-repair niya. So it can also boost the immune cells that we have. Kaya nga sabi namin, mapasimpleng ubo hanggang merong cancer, nagda-dialysis, nagkikimo, pwede pong matulungan ng ating produkto. And then, mas na-enhance niya rin yung function ng immune cells natin. That's why it can balance the bacteria and metabolic bad cells na meron tayo. So it boosts also our immune system. But we do not claim na kapag umiinom po tayo ng oxygolden, hindi na po tayo magkakasakit. Wala pong ganong produkto, okay? So we cannot determine kasi yung potency and virality ng isang virus at bacteria, kung gaano na ba sila katindi ngayon. Kaya, hindi natin ma-determine na hindi na tayo magkakasakit. I cannot reassure you that. But one thing is for sure, once you drink oxygolden product, talaga naman po magkakaroon po tayo ng faster recovery than the usual. And by drinking oxygolden, we are promoting oral oxygen therapy, which is right now we have a lot of oxygen therapies in the market. We have the we have the HBOT, yung hyperbaric oxygen treatment, which is yung ipapasok sa isang chamber and then bubugahan ka ng pressurized oxygen. What else? We also have the ozone therapy. Ang ozone therapy, it costs 150,000 to 180,000 and kailangan 30 session po yan para ma-complete mo yung ozone therapy na yan. Ito naman, it is invasive kasi ilalabas yung dugo mo, hahaluan ng solution, ibabalik ulit sa iyo. So it's like blood transfusion, di ba? So it's kind of expensive at the same time invasive. So itong klase ng oxygen therapy na yung mga yan na nabanggit ko po, ginagawa po yan to improve mental and wellness ng isang tao. At the same time, anti-aging effect. And it compresses also diseases para hindi siya nagpo-progress. Ayan, bulol yung speaker. So hindi siya nagpo-progress. Kaya lang, again, those kind of therapies are expensive. They're quite expensive talaga. Medyo pricey sila. So it cannot afford ng lahat ng tao sa community. That's why we want to cater everyone na magkaroon din sila ng oral oxygen therapy wherein itong sa atin, it is also the same effect with those kinds of oxygen therapy kasi itong sa atin, mas mabilis siya kasi because of that technology, kapag ininom po natin siya, it goes directly into our bloodstream. So this oral oxygen therapy can protect our cells, detect free radicals, repair damaged cells, and regenerate new healthier cells. So ganun din po ang effect niya. At the same time, these are the recommended dose that we have. Ayan, you can read it on your screen. And syempre, ang katawan po natin, marami ang free radicals. Tama po? So once we drink the OxyGolden, yung mga oxygen ions yan, kapag pumasok po yan sa katawan natin, it can, syempre hahanapin yan yung mga free radicals sa katawan natin to detox the cell, to repair the damaged cells. And pag ginagawa niya po yun, nakakaramdam po tayo ng untoward symptoms or what we call healing symptoms or healing process. And again, yung ibang mga nakakainom po ng produkto natin, nakakaramdam sila sometimes ng headache, loose stool, or any discomfort. Kasi, katulad ng sabi ko, once we drink the OxyGolden, the oxygen ions na nainom po natin, ginagawa niya na yung work niya. Wherein yun nga, nire-repair niya yung mitochondria natin, dinidetox niya yung cells natin. At the same time, yung mga damaged cells na meron tayo. And that's the time na nararamdaman natin itong untoward symptoms. But, those are temporary. Hindi naman po siya every time we drink the product, ganun ang ganun yung nararamdaman natin. Just like with my partner, ayan, si Sir Gilbert Salamagos, he is also one of our business development manager. And during yung first 4 niya po na pag-inom ng produkto natin, every time we drink the product, lagi po siyang may nararamdaman na parang tumutusok sa dibdib niya. Tapos yung heart niya para daw pong pinipiga, but not to the point na kailangan siyang dalhin sa hospital. So it lasts for 10 to 20 minutes, ganun daw po katagal. And on the 4th bottle, ganun pa rin yung nararamdaman niya. On the 5th bottle, yung pang-5 bote na nainom niya, wala siyang naramdaman up until now. So she asked our Taiwan representative, ayan, Ma'am Yefi Chong, and she asked directly our product formulator. And sa Taiwan daw po pala, ang dami rin daw pong ganung cases. So they made a study, and these people, they found out na itong mga tao na nagkakagano ng pakiramdam is because unti-unti nagkakaroon po ng clog doon sa arteries nila. Ibig sabihin, unti-unting nagkakaroon ng bara. So every time they drink the OxyGolden, yung oxygen ions po na nasa loob ng katawan nila, unti-unti niyang inaalis yung bara ng arteries. So that's the time na nakakaramdam sila na parang may tumutusok-tusok. And of course, katulad ng sabi ko, those are temporary. So yung sa kanya, on the 5th bottle, wala na siyang naramdaman. And up until now, ganun na rin po kumbaga, kagaan yung pakiramdam niya sa dibdib niya. And at the same time, commit to take OxyGolden at least 3 to 6 months to get the desired result. And statistics says 15% of the people get immediate result in 1 week, and 85% need more time. Again, the human body is very unique. Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng kinakain, hindi tayo pare-pareho ng iniinom, hindi rin tayo pare-pareho ng environment, at lalo na ng lifestyle. That's why, marahil yung isang bote sa inyo, 2 bote sa akin, isang tonic sa akin, 2 tonic po sa inyo. It's because, syempre, the more diseases that you have, the prolonged synthetic medicines you're taking, syempre, ang dami na nating na, kumbaga, naiipon na free radicals sa katawan natin. So yung atin po, we cannot determine how much and how long you need to drink the product. But, of course, sabi nga nila, it took several years for our cells to be damaged. So it takes time to have it repaired or replaced. At the same time, ayan, yung ating pong produkto, hindi po siya nakakasira ng ating kidney, ng organ, o ng genes or DNA natin because of the clinical study. Ayan, so we have human clinical study na talaga namang pinag-aralan nila yan para talagang it is very compatible with our body. At the same time, these are the testimonials that we have. Ayan, yung ating po mga testimonies, isa po dyan si Ma'am Felcy Codera. Si Ma'am Felcy Codera po, nagkaroon po siya ng foot and mouth disease. So as you can see in the picture, talagang ang dami niyang sugat sa outer sa face niya. Ano ba yan? Sa face po niya. So nakita niyo may nagnanana talaga diyan. Even inside her mouth, nagsuswell talaga, magang-magatas, ang dami niyang singaw. Ang ginawa niya po, pinatakan niya lang din po ng tonic yung mga nagsusugat na yan. And then you know that this picture is 1 hour away ang pagitan. Ganon siya kabilis mag-react kasi ang skin po natin, ang bilis mag-absorb ng mga nilalagay po dyan. Kung yung lotion nga, di ba, cream yan, pero in just minute, makikita natin na absorb na siya ng balat natin. What more pa kaya yung liquid, di ba? Yung very liquid na ganyan. So, ang bilis ng take effect, as you can see, the after picture talagang dry na yung mga sugat niya. Even inside her mouth, talagang unti-unti po nag-swell down. And in just 2 days talaga, yung foot and mouth niya na-clear po yan. Wala talagang singaw, walang namamagain. Natuyo na rin lahat ng mga sugat niya. At the same time, and this is Mr. Edwin Kalimlim. He is one of our personal testimony. Taga San Jose del Monte, Bulacan po siya. And he was diagnosed na meron siyang malignant tumor. As you can see in the picture, 8 kilos of mass po yan. 8 kilos of tumor. So, nung inoperahan siya, talaga namang nabalatan yung left chest niya. And after a month of operation, nag-develop po yung infection sa kanya. Nagkaroon siya ng sepsis. Wherein the usual sign and symptoms ng isang may infection, nag-chills talaga siya for 4 days, nilalagnat, hirap siyang kumain, and nakaasa na lang din po sila doon sa swero ng kapatid niya. Si Ate Lynn kasi, she's our member talaga. So, napansin ng sister niya na pumapangit si Sir Edwin, tapos lumalaki yung tiyan, naninilaw na rin po siya, the skin and even his eyes. So ang ginawa po ng sister, nag-conclude siya na possible meron ng kidney or liver problem yung kuya niya. Kaya ang ginawa niya po, winave niya lahat ng pinapainom ng hospital na antibiotics and yung mga medication niya, even the suero. Ang ginawa niya lang po, pinainom niya po ng 5 ml tonic nung gabi. Nung madaling araw, nagising po sila kasi si Kuya Edwin nagugutom daw po at nakakain siya ng lugaw nang hindi isinusuka. And on the next day, lahat na po ng nirarasyon sa kanya na food, talagang nakain niya na po yun. Kaya alam niyo po si Sir Edwin, in just 2 days talaga namang parang nakarecover na siya. In just 1 week, nakalabas po sila ng hospital. Ang naubos niya lang po na tonic natin is half bottle, which is 50 ml of tonic. Ngayon po si Kuya Edwin, nakakabalik na po siya sa kanyang trabaho, which is private driver. Ganun po kaganda yung ating produkto. And at the same time, ayan, this is Mr. Luisito Lisboa. He is from Batangas City and meron po siyang diabetes. So as you can see in the picture, the initial test niya ng blood sugar niya, meron siyang 288, which is very high. And ang ginawa niya po, uminom lang din po siya ng 10 ml ng tonic natin. And in just 2 hours, ito po yung ibinaba ng kanyang blood sugar. Talaga namang kalahati, more than half nung initial niya na blood sugar. So, mabilis siyang mag-take effect sa mga diabetic person. Bakit? Kasi ang mga diabetic person, nakakapag-produce naman po sila ng insulin. The thing is, yung cells natin, hindi na na-absorb yung insulin. Bakit? Kasi yung insulin receptor, nababarahan na sila. Diba? So, nababarahan na po yung cells natin. And ang oxygen ion, since it is very powerful na kaya niyang i-detox yung cell natin, yung insulin receptor natin sa cells, kaya niya yung i-rip open. That's why, kaya niya lang i-absorb yung mga insulin na napuproduce ng katawan natin. Kaya mabilis po talaga ang pagbaba ng blood sugar. At the same time, ayan, this is Keisha Johanna Recipuscolo. Ayan, this is one of our greatest testimony of Oxygolden. Bakit? Kasi si Keisha po ay pinanganak na po talaga siya na merong may sakit. And she was diagnosed na meron po siyang tuberculosis, meningitis, acquired pneumonia with high-risk hypoxia. And hospital-acquired infection, which is Klebsiella pneumonia, and severe acute malnutrition. And ang nangyari po sa kanya kasi, 1 month siyang naka-admit in ICU. And pinauwi na rin sila ng hospital. It's because, kumbaga, hopeless na. And sabi rin ng doctor, kung makarecover man si Keisha, ay parang lanta na lang, kumbaga yung term na lantang gulay na lang din. So, hindi na talaga siya makaka-recover katulad ng gusto nila mangyari. So after a month of confinement in ICU, ganito na po yung itsura ni Keisha. So talagang malnourished na siya. Ang tigas na raw po talaga ni Keisha, talagang parang butot balat na lang siya. And alam nyo po, nung nakita po ni Ma'am Belibet yung ating produkto, Wala talagang no doubt na talagang kinuha niya rin agad yung product kasi ganun niya kamahal yung bata. And nung nag-wealth account siya, lahat ng produkto na meron siya, pinainom niya po kay Kisha. So nakaubos lang po si Kisha ng 3 bottles of tonic and 10 bottles of Oxygolden 900 plus. And after that, ito na po si Kisha ngayon. Si Kisha talaga namang na-enjoy niya yung kanyang kumbaga pagkabata kasi nakakagalaw na ulit siya, nakakapaglaro na rin siya. Ngayon, nakakapunta na siya sa playground and meron nga rin pong pinasa ngayon sa Mambelubet, nakakapag swimming na ulit si Kisha. Na-enjoy niya na yung sarili niya. So, as you can see in the picture, yung produkto na meron po kami, we do not claim na kaya niya talaga, na pampagaling siya, panggamot siya. The thing is, sabi nga, we're just going back to basic. Kasi 'di ba, nung ginawa ang mundo, we just have the sun, the air, and the water. And sabi nga, based on study din, ang katawan po ng tao, when you have well-oxygenated body, hindi ka magkakaroon ng mga serious illnesses. And syempre, yung produkto na meron tayo, ano po ba? It's just water and oxygen. Wherein yun po ang kailangan ng katawan natin. And ito na po yung ilan sa mga testimonies na nag-gather po namin. So we also have a lot of testimonies with our Telegram. So pwede po kayong mag-join dyan sa aming GLI testimonials para makita nyo rin po yung iba pa naming mga testimonies na meron tayo. Kasi kung isasama natin yung lahat sa presentation, it will take a lot of time. So, yun lang po ang ating product, company and product demonstration. And